What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Jwilli back again. Today is actually Friday. We're actually gonna be going out to KeyWest today. Me, Mama, and her family. We're all going out to KeyWest today. We rented a villa. So yeah, we're just going out for the weekend. Don't gotta watch right now, but it's probably like 2 o'clock right now. We're not leaving until like 6, probably 6 or 7. And I'll see y'all there. Peace. Yeah, we're all in the car. Oh, whoa, whoa.
Where's this phone for?
All right, we're here. Parrot Key. Yes, sir. Parrot Key. Wait, no, we came from here, you know. Yeah, we're at dinner now.
Yeah.
Started?
Yeah, I started it. Shut up. Mumbling and cackling. So, it's 2. My family up here. Oh! Bitch. I'm still down the stairs.
Alright, y'all, good morning. It is now Saturday. That was actually the worst sleep I've ever had, to be honest. Parrot Key's beds, they're not the best. So, I mean, if you like soft pillows and stuff, you need to bring your pillows, yo. But yeah, me and Mama were just here getting ready to step out, see what else there is to do. We're probably gonna go to like Mallory Square. Walk around Duval Street, probably go to Smothers Beach. Y'all are coming on a journey, so anyway, I'll see y'all there. This is actually outside of our door. Mama, don't leave here because you have to open the door here. We have a little balcony and shit. Top of the morning, everybody. Get up. It's a beautiful day. Yeah. We're out here. Yes, I. Look at that. Beautiful. Yeah, man. Fit check, fit check.
Hold on, I'm fixing my boot.
Fit check. Izzy has it. Mallory Square.
Oh, that's a beautiful one for a tank.
Yeah, these are tongue fish.
And that size too?
Pork fish.
And that size?
Smothers Beach. Yeah, Mama bought me a little souvenir.
Hey!
Where Mama there? We out here. Auntie Paula, you have to big up the vlog. Yeah.
Big up.
Smothers Beach. Yeah. It's pretty hot out here. Wait, I don't even know where the sun is. Oh.
Paula, you want?
Yo, dinner time. Hey. Where are we going today? We are going to Hogfish Bar and Grill. Yes, sir. Hogfish Bar and Grill. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of feeling for the stuffed hogfish or a fried whole snapper. I don't know. That one looks nice. Oh, this is so cool. They grill Jamaica. Big up the island anywhere with it, you know? Yeah, man. Oh, this is pretty cool. Look at that sunset we're about to see. Yeah. This is the life, you know? Just gotta enjoy life while you have it, ain't it? Ain't it, bruv? Yeah. Alright, so I got stuffed hogfish with crab and shrimp. Mama got a seafood bowl. Oh, I got lobster and everything. Yeah. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Look at the fish gonna come. Look at those mangroves. Well, guys, Hogfish Bar and Grill, 10 out of 10. Izzy, how was the food?
1 out of 10.
She tripping. Look on this truck, y'all. This truck is full of chills.
She have her prayer group and whatever. Yeah, she does, and she prayed with